In this APA moment, we'll explore how to create a reference and a citation for a blog post that has section headings. With references, we'll start with the author's name, last name, comma, space, then the initials for the first name and the author's middle names. Put a period and a space after all initials. Secondly, we'll add a date. With a blog, the year will be followed by a month and a day. The date will be in parentheses, followed by a period after the closing parenthesis. Next, the title of the post. This is followed by a period. Only capitalize the first letter of the first word, all proper nouns, and the first letter of the word following a colon. The title of the post is not italicized. However, the blog's name is italicized, and the first letter of the first word, the first letter of any noun, and the first letter of any verb in the title is capitalized. Smaller words such as articles, such as a, an, or the, pronouns, or prepositions are not capitalized. Follow this with a hyperlink with no period after the link. As far as citations are concerned, with a paraphrase, you can put the attribution at the beginning of a sentence by using the author's last name, followed by the year in parentheses, then the text. You can also place the attribution after the sentence. However, you do not put a period after the sentence. Follow the sentence with an opening parenthesis, the author's name, comma, the year, closing parenthesis, and then a period. Direct quotes can be formatted in two ways. You can put the attribution prior to the quote with the author's name, followed by the year in parentheses, followed by an appropriate verb, comma, and the quotation within quotation marks, but do not put a period. Following the closing quotation mark, add a space and an opening parenthesis with a shortened section name in capitalizing most words, which is followed by the word section in lowercase, a closing parenthesis, and then the period. To put the attribution after the quote, have the quotation within quotation marks but no period, followed by an open parenthesis, the author's last name, comma, space, year, comma, and a shortened section name in capitalizing most words, followed by the word section in lowercase, a closing parenthesis, and a period. I hope you've learned something from this APA moment.